Hello, my name is Ethan Nadanasivam. Today's presentation is going to be about drawing to scale, imperial measurements. Scale drawing allows you to rearrange existing components without physically moving them. With a scale plan, you can find a new and interesting way to place things you already own. In this project, I will be teaching you the steps of drawing a counter 12 feet 8 inches by 13 feet 9 inches to a scale using 3/4 inches equals 1 foot. Hopefully after my presentation, you will have an understanding of how to draw to scale. A few things you must know. There are 4 main scales that you will use when dealing with imperial measures. 1/4 inch equals 1 foot. 1/2 inch equals 1 foot. 3/4 inch equals 1 foot. 1 foot equals 1 foot. It is important to always remember 12 inches equals 1 foot. We will be converting inches to foot, so we will be dividing inches by 12 in order to convert it to feet. Steps for drawing to scale with imperial. Convert measurements from inches to feet. Scale your measurements to the size of your drawing. Write name of the item to be drawn next to the name of the item. Indicate measurements needed for drawing and box your answer. Draw your item and label original measurements. Indicate your scale below your drawing. Our counter is 12 feet 8 inches by 13 feet 9 inches. Our scale is 3/4, which is what we'll be drawing, and we'll be converting our counter to 1 feet. So counter is 12 feet 8 inches by 13 feet 9 inches. And our scale is 3/4 inches equals 1 foot. We'll first be looking at 12 feet 8 inches. We'll be converting it to foot and then multiplying it by the scale, which is 3/4, and then we'll be adding, and then we'll get the answer to drawing to scale 12 feet by 8 inches. So our step 1, convert numbers to feet. So our 12 feet is already in feet, so we don't have to do anything. Our 8 inches, we're going to have to convert into feet. As I've already said, 12 inches is 1 feet. So if we divide 8 by 12, we will be able to convert it into feet. So 8 inches divided by 12 inches will give us 2/3 feet. Step 2, multiply our feet by our scale. So 12 feet times 3/4 gives us 9 inches. 2/3 feet times 3/4 inches will give us 1/2 inch. Step 3, we'll add step 2 together. So 9 inches plus 1/2 inch gives us 9.5 inches. So our second side of the counter, 13 feet by 9 inches, we will be converting it to foot, and then we will be multiplying it by the scale 3/4. So 13 is already in feet, so we don't have to do anything. So our 9 inches, we're going to have to convert it to feet. So 9 inches divided by 12 inches. We know that 1 foot equals 12 inches. So we're going to have to divide 9 inches by 12 inches so we can convert it to feet. And we'll get 3/4 feet. Step 2, multiply our feet by the scale. So our scale is 3/4. So 13 times 3/4 gives us 9 3/4. And 3/4 feet times 3/4 inches gives us 9/16 inches. Step 3, we will add steps 2 together. So 9 3/4 inches plus 9/16 will give us 10 5/16 inches. Here is the counter drawn on a paper. So this is 12 feet 8 inches. And this over here is 13 feet 9 inches. We changed 13 feet 9 inches, and we calculated 10 by 5 over 16. So from here to here is 10, plus we have 5 over 16. So we're going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 beside the number 10, and we'll get this measurement. This is my calculations, handwritten calculations, and that's my end of my presentation. Thank you.